Okay, hello guys. For lesson 11, we are working on function notation, and we will start off this lesson by evaluating the expressions given the functions below. So they are talking about g function, j function, h function, and f function. And basically they're telling us to, well, I think it's better to show you right now, okay? So right now, if you notice, they're both g functions, so it's referring to this function, so it's gx equals 2x plus 1, right? And you can see here that that instead of x, they replace it with 2, and they're telling you that they want you to replace the x with the 2. So 2 instead of the x, and then plus 1, right? 2 times 2 is 4 plus 1. So g over g parentheses 2 is 5. So you're just trying to replace x with the number they give you, okay? Pretty simple. Okay, h function is hx, negative x plus 3. h3, negative 3 plus 3. And you know that like negative 3 plus 3 is 0. So negative 0, so h parentheses 3 is 0. Okay. J function jx equals 100 over x squared. So j negative 1 would be 100 over negative 1 squared. 100 over 1, because negative 1 times negative 1 is 1, you know? So 100. So j negative 1 equals 100. Cool. Do you get it? If you do, that is great. Let's go on to the next set. Okay, f function. F function is fx x plus 5, right? We are given f negative 4, so negative 4 plus 5. 5 minus 4 is 1, so f negative 4 is 1. Pretty easy. H function. H function is negative x plus 3. H negative 2 is what we're given. So negative 2. So 3. And when you have a negative together, it's going to result in a positive, right? So it's just 2 plus 3. That's then negative 5. So the final answer is negative 5. So h negative 2 equals negative 5. Okay? G function. Gx equals 2x plus 1. We are given g8 to 8 plus 1. Right? So 2 times 8 is 16 plus 1. So g8 would equal 17. Okay? G function, not G, G function. 100 x squared. Right? We are given j negative 2, so 100 negative 2 squared. So 100 over 4, basically. And 100 divided by 4 is 25, right? So that means our final answer would be 25. Cool. Okay, f function. That's the first one we did. X equals x plus 5. We are given 6, so 6 plus 5. f6 equals 11. Cool. Yay. You got it? Okay, now we're just going to spice things up a bit, you know? Let's also change this, because it changed. Okay, for this, you can see that they added like multiplication, like 5 times, 4 times, right? And for sake of already doing the simpler one, we're not going to do that one or this one. We're going to focus on doing multiplication now. So we're just going to start off like what we always start off with, right? Jx is so J2 equals 100 to 2, which is 100 over 4, which is 25 again. So J2 equals 25. But now, after that, they added a 5. So they're telling us to multiply 25 with 5. And 5 times 25, right? That's 20, and then that's 10, it's 12. So the final answer would be 125. So 5J2 equals 125. Okay? Okay, G function. Since I think you guys got it, I'm just going to speed through the simpler part. So 4G -3 something, right? Well, this is -5. G -3 equals -5. So we're just going to multiply -5 by 4, which is -20. That is the final answer. Okay, last one in this section is h -2. Well, h -2 is negative -2 plus 3. So h -2 would equal 2 plus 3, so that's 5. Okay, let me do this again. H -2 plus 2, 2 plus 5 is 5. But then they put the minus on the other outside the parentheses, so it's -5. And -5 multiplied by 5 is -25, right? -25. So that's the final answer. Okay?